take a deep breath. Because what I'm about to tell you might completely change the way you look at money. If you're unemployed right now, I know exactly what's running through your mind: worry, stress, maybe even a little fear. But here's the truth: being unemployed doesn't mean being broke. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money even when you don't have a job. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to turn your skills, time, and even your smartphone into a money-making machine. So let's dive in. Losing a job or struggling to find one isn't just about finances, it's about self-worth, stress, and the uncertainty of what comes next. You apply to jobs, send out resumes, and wait, but nothing happens. Bills pile up. Savings shrink. And that voice in your head keeps whispering, "What if things don't get better?" But let me tell you something: you don't need to wait for an employer to give you a paycheck. You can start making money right now. Let's talk about how. 1. The mindset shift, from desperation to opportunity. Most people look at unemployment as a crisis. But successful people? They see it as a transition and opportunity. Your mindset is the foundation of everything. If you keep telling yourself, "I'm stuck," you will be. But if you start thinking, "This is my chance to build something new," you'll begin seeing opportunities everywhere. Take someone like Brian Chesky, the co-founder of Airbnb. He was broke, unemployed, and drowning in rent bills. Instead of panicking, he saw an opportunity renting out an air mattress in his apartment. That one idea became a billion-dollar business. The difference? Mindset. So, before we even talk about making money, I need you to shift your focus. Instead of thinking, "I need a job," start asking, "How can I provide value?" That's where money comes from, providing value. Now, let's talk about how to do that. 2. Leveraging skills you already have, even if you think you have none. A lot of people think, "I don't have any skills." But that's a lie. You do. You just don't realize it yet. For example, can you write? Companies need content writers. Are you good at organizing? Virtual assistants make thousands from home. Love talking? Customer service jobs pay well. Even hobbies, photography, gaming, social media can be monetized. A simple exercise: grab a notebook and write down everything you know how to do, even the smallest things. Then, match those skills to opportunities online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour can connect you with clients today. You don't need a resume. You need initiative. So start. 3. The fastest ways to make money with zero investment. If you need money now, here are 3 options. Gig work. Apps like DoorDash, Instacart, and Uber Eats allow you to make money today. Online surveys and research studies. Sites like User Testing pay $10, $50 per session. Freelance services. Write, design, edit videos, whatever you can do, someone will pay for it. The best part? You can mix these methods to create multiple income streams. 4. Using AI and automation to generate income. AI tools can make money for you. Let me explain. AI writing and design. Tools like ChatGPT and Canva can help you create content for businesses. AI reselling. Use AI to generate digital products, ebooks, templates, and sell them on Etsy. Automation. Use apps to schedule social media content and get paid to manage pages. With AI, you don't need to be an expert, you just need to be smart. 5. The power of selling, flipping, reselling, and marketplace hustles. Flipping is one of the easiest ways to make quick money. Buy low, sell high, it's that simple. Here's how. Garage sales and thrift stores. Find undervalued items and sell them for profit. Facebook Marketplace and eBay. Buy things cheap, sell them at a markup. Dropshipping and print on demand. Sell products without even handling inventory. 6. Creating passive income while unemployed. Want money while you sleep? Consider these. Start a YouTube channel or blog. Monetize with ads. Sell digital products, ebooks, courses, stock photos. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. 7. How to make money from what you already own. If you own anything valuable, you can make money from it. Rent out your car with Turo. Rent out a room on Airbnb. Rent out tools and equipment in your garage. 8. Getting paid for your time and attention. You can literally get paid for watching videos, answering surveys, or testing websites. Platforms like Swagbucks, User Testing, and Respondent.io offer quick cash. 9. Turning social media into an income source. You don't need millions of followers to make money online. Here's how. Affiliate links, share links, earn commissions. UGC, user-generated content companies pay for video testimonials. Coaching or consulting, sell your expertise. 10. The next step, turning temporary income into long-term wealth. Quick cash is great, but financial freedom comes from smart decisions. Save and invest. Every dollar you make should be working for you. Build an emergency fund, so you never feel desperate again. Create a financial plan, aim for stability, not just survival. Right now you have a choice, keep struggling, or start making money. No matter your situation, there's a way forward. Every dollar earned is a step toward freedom. But only if you take action. Every day you wait is a day you could be building your future. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And since you made it this far, YouTube has picked the perfect video for you. It's on screen right now. Click it, and let's keep building your financial future.